Transferring WhatsApp from one iPhone to another is a simple process that ensures all your messages and media are carried over smoothly. To start, ensure that both iPhones are connected to the same iCloud account and that you have a stable internet connection. First, on your old iPhone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. From there, tap Chats, then Chat Backup, and select Backup Now. This will back up your chats, including messages and media, to iCloud. Next, on your new iPhone, download and install WhatsApp from the App Store if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and verify your phone number. When prompted, restore your chat history from iCloud by selecting Restore Chat History. WhatsApp will retrieve your most recent backup from iCloud and restore all your messages and media to the new device. If you're using WhatsApp's cloud backup system, it's important to ensure that there's enough iCloud storage space for the backup to complete successfully. If not, you may need to free up space or purchase additional iCloud storage. Once the restore process is complete, your WhatsApp on the new iPhone will have all your chats and media ready for you to continue using.